Well, the car's got bogged, so I've been trying and trying and trying, backwards and forth, and the rain's starting to come again. So the car's in neutral and it's on, handbrake's released, and somehow, it doesn't look like much, but this van is heavy. So that's how much water. I normally can drive on here, there's no problems. So I've got this here, doubled them up. It's a lot to ask for the rope to actually pull this thing. So we'll just have to see. That's all I've got. So, I've got to pull it probably about a couple of foot and I should be right on.